Welcome back to the Wow Auto Car, your go-to channel for the latest car updates and honest reviews. Today we're diving into a brand new name in Toyota's lineup, the 2025 Toyota Carissida. A name that blends nostalgia with futuristic design. This all-new model has been grabbing attention worldwide, and for good reason. The Carissida brings a bold departure from Toyota's traditional family sedans. It's a mid-size sedan, but with a sporty, aggressive edge, sleek LED headlights, a wide grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines that look like they've been borrowed from a concept car. Toyota has clearly aimed to turn heads with this design, and they've done it. The overall look feels like a blend of luxury and performance. Under the hood, the Carissida offers multiple powertrain options. You've got a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter hybrid engine producing around 215 horsepower, and a more performance-focused 2.4-liter turbocharged variant pushing close to 265 horses. Both versions come with Toyota's new-gen CVT or an 8-speed automatic transmission depending on the trim level. Toyota has also hinted at an all-wheel drive variant, giving drivers more grip and control in all conditions. The interior of the 2025 Carissida is where things get even more exciting. Toyota has gone full premium here. Soft touch materials, a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital driver display. It also comes with Toyota's latest AI voice assistant, which makes using navigation, music, or climate control completely hands-free. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. There's generous legroom, rear AC vents, USB-C ports, and even optional seat heating in the higher trims. Toyota's clearly targeting families and daily commuters with a touch of executive-class comfort. Safety-wise, the Carissida comes loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3-point. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency, braking, traffic sign recognition, and even a 360-degree camera system for perfect parking. You also get blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, making it one of the safest sedans in its category. Fuel efficiency is solid too. The hybrid variant offers an estimated 48 miles per gallon, making it a smart choice for city drivers or anyone watching fuel costs. The turbo version offers a respectable 30 mpg combined, balancing power and efficiency. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Carissida is expected to start around $29,000 for the base model and go up to about $39,000 for the top-of-the-line trim with all the tech and luxury features. Toyota is positioning this car between the Camry and Crown, and honestly, it might just steal the spotlight from both. If you're someone who wants a stylish, tech-loaded, and safe family sedan that still delivers driving excitement, the 2025 Toyota Carissida deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's bold, it's smart, and it's built for the future. That's it for today's video. If you like this overview, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Wow Auto Car, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe and stay awesome.